Question number 1. It is responsible for the beginning of the life of organism, tissue, zygote, cell, embryonic layer. Correct answer is option B. Zygote is responsible for beginning of life of organism. Question 2. Who proposed the cell theory? Singer and Nicholson, Swan and Slidon, Hooke and Brown, Robertson. Correct answer is option B. Swan and Slidon. Question number 3. Who proposed that new cell arise through cell division of pre-existing cell? Robert Hooke, Rudolf Virchow, Robert Brown, Singer. Correct answer is option B. Rudolf Virchow. Question number 4. It is the smallest cell. Bacteria, mycoplasma, yeast, blue-green algae. Correct answer is option B. Mycoplasma is the smallest cell. Question number 5. Prokaryotic cell have which architectural region? Cell, appendages, nucleus, or leave the above? Correct answer is option B. Appendages. Question number 6. The association of more than one ribosome with a single molecule of mRNA complex is called as polypeptide, polysome, polymer, polysaccharide. Correct answer is option B. Polysome. Question number 7. Which structure process flagellin protein? Muscles fiber, flagellum, pili, or leave the above? Correct answer is option B. Flagellum. Question number 8. The cell wall of algae is made up of which substance? Protein, mannans, lipid, or leave the above? Correct answer is option B. Mannans. Question number 9. The cell involved in large amount of lipid synthesis do not process this organelle on the endoplasmic reticulum. Mitochondria, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. Correct answer is option B. Ribosome. Question number 10. In mitochondria, it contains F particles, matrix, cisternae, outer layer, all of this. Correct answer is option B. Crista. Question number 11. The material essential for the dark reaction are located in circular DNA, thylakoid, stroma, ribosome. Correct answer is option B. Thylakoid. Question number 12. Microfilaments are made up of fat, protein, carbohydrates, nucleic acid. Correct answer is option B. Protein. Question number 30. It possesses flagella, paramecium, euglena, amoeba, yeast. Correct answer is option B. Euglena. Question number 40. It directs the formation of the bipolar spindle during cell division. Golgi body, centroid, ribosome, cilia. Correct answer is option B. Centroid. Question number 50. In human, which cell lack a nucleus? Lymphocyte, RBC, monocyte, neutrophils. Correct answer is option B. RBC lack a nucleus. Question number 60. The unit of phloem in which the nucleus is absent. Sieve cell, sieve tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma. Correct answer is option B. Sieve tube. Question number 17. No membrane surround this organelle. Lysosome, nucleolus, Golgi body, nucleus. Correct answer is option B. Nucleolus. Question number 80. In actively synthesize rRNA. Nucleoplasm, nucleolus, nucleus, or leave the above. Correct answer is option B. Nucleolus. Question number 90. In each chromosome, centromer processing a disc-shaped structure is satellite, kinetochore, long arm, short arm. Correct answer is option B. Kinetochore. Question number 20. Bacteria process small DNA other than circular DNA, which is called as cosmid, plasmid, plastid, steroid. Correct answer is option B, plasmid.